AI isn't just hype anymore. It isn't just tech blogs and headlines. It's showing up everywhere, in schools, in offices, in politics, in your phone, in your bank account, even in your entertainment. And the crazy part? It feels like every single week there's a brand new tool, a mind-blowing demo, or a terrifying story that makes us all stop and ask, wait a second, are we actually ready for this? What's really happening with AI in 2025? What breakthroughs are changing the world right now? What opportunities are nobody talking about? And how dark could this all get if it spirals out of control? Because this isn't just about technology. This is about us. It's about our jobs, our money, our safety, our future. And the truth is, whether you're excited or terrified, AI is rewriting the world we live in. Let's start with the thing blowing up right now. AI agents. If you haven't heard this phrase yet, don't worry, you will. An AI agent isn't just some chatbot. It doesn't just answer a question or spit out a paragraph. It's more like a digital employee. It plans, it acts, and it follows through. You don't just ask it, you tell it what you want. And it goes out and does the work. Imagine saying this: find me 10 suppliers for my business. Compare their prices. Check their reviews. Write up a report. Draft emails to the best 3. And book meetings on my calendar for next week. That's not a search engine. That's not ChatGPT giving you a list. That's an actual assistant doing an entire day's work in minutes. Businesses are already using these things. They're running customer service, managing scheduling, handling research, even analyzing financial data. Last year, AI could answer questions. This year, AI is running errands. And here's where it gets really wild. This same technology could one day run entire businesses. Imagine a one-person company backed up by 10, 20, 50 AI agents working non-stop behind the scenes. That's not sci-fi anymore. That's starting to happen right now. But that's just the beginning. Because if you've been online lately, you know what's really blowing people's minds. AI video generators. For the longest time, video felt untouchable. It was too complex, too human, too realistic to fake. But this year, game over. AI video has gone from goofy memes to jaw-dropping realism. We're talking actors who don't exist, news anchors who can speak 20 different languages, full commercials filmed in bedrooms, with no cameras, no crew, no budget. Some clips look rough, but others are so realistic it's hard to believe they're fake. And if this is version 1, just imagine what version 5 is going to look like. Here's the scary part. This isn't just about entertainment. It's about trust. If anyone can create a convincing video of a politician saying something they never said, if anyone can fake a celebrity endorsing a product they've never even heard of, how do we know what's real anymore? Think about it. 2023 was the year of AI text. 2024 was the year of AI art. And 2025? It's the year of AI reality. But it's not all doom and gloom. There's another side to this. Because for every terrifying story, there's an opportunity. Students using AI to study are racing ahead of their classmates. Marketers who generate ads with AI are crushing their competition. Creators who use AI to brainstorm, script, and edit are producing more content, faster, sharper, and cheaper than ever before. It's kind of like when calculators first came out. Teachers panicked. They thought it would ruin math. Instead, it changed the way we approached math. AI feels the same way, only way bigger. But let's be real for a second. Not everything is positive. Scammers are having a field day with AI. Voice cloning has gotten so good, people are losing money to fake calls from family members. Political ads are being pumped full of fake voices, fake faces, even fake crowds. And deepfakes? They're not just funny celebrity memes anymore. They're being used as weapons. Governments are scrambling to make rules. Tech companies are scrambling to watermark AI content. But let's be honest, the genie is already out of the bottle. So where does this all lead? Some people say AI is the new electricity. It's going to power everything for the next 100 years. Bigger than the internet. Bigger than smartphones. Others say it's the start of chaos. A future where jobs vanish. Truth disappears. And we're stuck in a world where nobody knows what's real anymore. But here's the truth. AI isn't going anywhere. You can't stop it. The only choice we really have is how we use it. Will it make us stronger, faster, smarter? Or will it slowly replace us piece by piece? That's going to depend on us. Because right now, AI in 2025 isn't just hype. It's a tidal wave. And whether you're excited, scared, or somewhere in the middle, the wave is here. The question is, are you going to ride it? Or let it wipe you out? So what do you think? Are you excited for where AI is headed? Or are you terrified? Maybe a little bit of both? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. And if you found this breakdown eye-opening, hit that like button. Share this with a friend. And subscribe to Wolfgang's Daily Bite. Because this is just the beginning. AI isn't just changing the world. It's rewriting it.